to create your brand, to market your brand, and to make it available to the masses in the state. Nothing like newspaper, for sure. You have to build it over a period of time. You start small, but you eventually, if you're continuously being seen in the print medium, people don't forget you. So Times of India is the most reputed paper in Gujarat. I mean, in India for sure, but definitely in Gujarat. It has my clientele, the one that we are looking for in most of the brands that we sell. So to me, it is definitely the most credible newspaper to go with for my clients. So we've been recommending Times of India since about 2.5 to 3 decades, since the time Market Revival has been on. We've partnered with them through all this time, and they've always been with us. I mean, we've never had a bad experience.
पेपर एड के बहुत बेनिफिट्स थे. मैंने समझा कि आज तक तो मेरी ब्रांड बनी है, जयपुर जो नोन हुआ है उस पर न्यूज़पेपर का बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा है, ऐसा मैं मानता हूँ.
ये न्यूज़पेपर एडवर्टाइज जो है, मैं ये कहूँगा कि ये पहला स्टेप है, फर्स्ट स्टेप टू एंटर इनटू एडवर्टाइजिंग मार्केट. अगर आप एडवर्टाइज करना शुरू करेंगे तो आप न्यूज़पेपर एड से शुरू कीजिए, क्योंकि उससे जो ऑडियंस है उससे बहुत आपका ब्रांड या आपकी प्रेजेंस या आपकी प्रोडक्ट का सीधा इम्पैक्ट होता है. फिर आप एड ऑन जो भी एक्टिविटी करना चाहे, इट इज़ अप टू यू कि आप कितने माइलस्टोन अचीव करना चाहते हैं, बट मस्ट इनिशिएट विथ newspaper advertisement.
See, I will not be able to give you any theoretical benefits, but let me say, if you have a reasonable budget, if you have a small budget, then things are different. If you have a big budget, things are different. But if you have a medium-sized budget, still print has to be part of it. It's like a cake. In a cake, of course, there are basic ingredients and then there is some extra ingredients. In my mind, newspaper today is essential. It is not an extra ingredient in a cake. And especially if you are in the service sector and the retail sector, more so this is important, because you need to communicate a little bit more to the buyer. He doesn't want to just know about your branding, because in ads what is happening on TV is maximum 30 seconds, 40 seconds, all what you can afford with the heavy rates. तो क्या message आप communicate करोगे? For example, if you are a travel company and you want to talk about the better quality of your probably business class seat or your better fares, so people want to more read about it. So I think where more information has to be given, newspaper is a very good medium to give that. At least for the people who are interested will definitely read it.
देखिए, सबसे पहले तो टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया नंबर 1 न्यूज़पेपर है इंडिया का, जो हम जानते हैं, और जो सेगमेंट को हम कैटर करना चाहते हैं वो हमें मिल जाता है टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया से. और उसका कोई भी शहर में, हमारे कई शहरों में हमारे स्टोर है, तो जहाँ भी पुणे है, जयपुर है, इंदौर है, कि भोपाल भी हमारे स्टोर है. तो हमने देखा कि जो क्लास हमें चाहिए वो टाइम्स का क्लास कैटर करते हैं हम लोग, इसलिए हम टाइम्स पे ज़्यादा ऐड करते हैं.
When it comes to Ahmedabad, and we are a very local regional player, we are based out of Ahmedabad, and when you look at options for English public publications, then Times of India for the longest period of time has been the de facto leader. So that becomes the obvious choice for. One thing that I do want to bring here is that despite being in the pole position that they are, they don't take us for granted. With the emerging needs of the consumer, the emerging trends, how people are engaging with the different media, they continue to bring out innovations, so that despite being the only one or maybe the monopoly player, people don't get kind of disengaged with it just because. So they keep bringing in newer innovations, newer things, newer ways of displaying your products, which kind of keep the paper relevant and engaging.
I use always Times of India because, see, I started first outlet in 1989. That time the coverage I got in Times of India, you believe that today I am there here with 3 5-star hotels. This is the difference what you see in the newspaper. Basically, it takes your brand so high. Just Times of India itself is a big brand, but it make you also as a big brand.
What is the advice that I would give is that do not consider advertising as a one-time or a one season kind of a campaign. Think of it as an investment, and think of it like an SIP investment. So you have to consistently put money. Along with that, also invest into creating content which is relevant and honest. Consistency in advertising and creativity and honesty in your communication these two things is what I would focus on.
अमेजिंग। ईमानदारी से बोलो, टाइप्स ऑफ इंडिया के जितने भी लोग, मतलब मैं तो सबसे मिलता रहता हूँ, होमली फील होता है, कभी भी हमें टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया के पीपल से कोई तकलीफ नहीं हुई, कुछ भी हो, मतलब वेरी कोऑपरेटिव। और मतलब हमें कभी क्या होता है, सीजन के टाइम जगह की मारामारी होती है, सबको अच्छी जगह चाहिए, राइट, बट वी ऑलवेज प्लान करते हैं 1 महीने पहले, तो मतलब कमिटमेंट के साथ काम होता है टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में, वो हमने देखा।